everyone, it's Marla from Ottawa Swordplay, and welcome to our fourth and final video in my series on footwork. Today I'm going to show you how to combine the gather step and the triangular gather step that we worked on in the last two videos, and also a couple of little ways that you can practice your footwork for consistency. So, we can switch between doing our gather step and our triangular gather to change where we are and how far we're going forward or away from our opponent. This can be great to change up our distance. So, I can do a gather step and then a triangular gather, changing my positioning. Gather step, triangular gather. I can do the same thing on the other side. Gather step, triangular gather. This is really useful when you are coming into distance against someone, but you don't want to just keep going in one direction. You'll recall that our gather steps keep taking us a little bit in the direction of whichever foot is at the rear. You can play with combining these in any ways. You can set up little sequences for yourself, and I'm going to take you through two of those sequences that we usually use for training our footwork at the sword hall. The first one is called the footwork of life. You can do this with any of the three steps that we've looked at, the passing step, the gather step, or the triangular gather. And we do this by taking one step forward and two steps back. This lets you maximize the space that you've got because you're moving back and forth in the same area. Another practice that you can do to work on the consistency between your forward steps and your backward steps is by trying to get yourself back to the same spot. So if we do this with the passing steps, we can do 2 steps forward, 4 steps back, and then 2 steps forward. Then you would check to see if you are back where you started. You can do this with any number of steps in each direction, as long as you're ending up back at the middle. Now, this works best if you can mark something on the floor with a line to tell you where you started. I'm all out of painter's tape, so I can't do that here. But if you've got painter's tape, or if you can put a chalk line down, that will help you see how close you're getting back to your original starting point. Alright, that's it for this set of footwork videos. Take care, see you again soon.